Hello guys, welcome to new video. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss how to install IntelliJ IDE for writing Kotlin program. For that, simply open Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA download. Most probably, you will get the first link, which is from official website of JetBrains to download the IntelliJ IDEA IDE. Click on it. On this page, you can find there are three options: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. If choose your operating system, if you are using Windows, select Windows. If you are using Mac OS, select Mac OS. If you want to install it on Linux, select Linux. IntelliJ provides you one ultimate version, which is of course paid one, which also comes with free 30-day trial. It has some extensive and very useful features. So if you don't want to go with paid edition of IntelliJ IDE, you can scroll down a little bit and there is a community edition which is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for that. Based on your requirement, select whether you want to download zip file or executable setup file. In this case, I am going to download simply executable setup file. So I will click on download. When you click on download, download will start and we have to wait for download to complete. In my case, I already have downloaded that exe file, that I setup file. I will simply open my download folder and I will start my installation. To install, double click on it. This installation process can take little longer. It will ask you for authorization. Just simply click on yes. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Simply click on next. Select destination folder. Make sure you have 3.5 GB of space available on your drive. Click on next. So create desktop. If you want to create shortcuts on desktop, select these options. I want to have IntelliJ option as one of my context menu. When you right click in a file explorer, create association. I want to associate Java file with IntelliJ and Kotlin file with IntelliJ. I will select those. This is optional. You can simply click on next. Finally, we are at the final step. Let's click on install. Installation can take few minutes. That's it. Our IntelliJ is installed successfully. You can check this checkbox, run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, and click on finish. This will straightforward launch IntelliJ. If you have Visual Studio, it will ask you to import something. I can skip this one. That's it. Our IntelliJ IDEA IDE is ready to use. I hope you understood how to install IntelliJ. This is very simple. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.